So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel withdrawal request in Exness. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Exness account. So it's going to look something like this. So you can see your accounts, your performance, your history of orders, Exness terminal, your payments and wallet, insights, Exness benefits, copy trading support hub, your profile, and some other stuff underneath. So you can see your accounts, your demos, your trade and deposit. So in order to actually cancel your withdrawal, them won't be that easy since Exness doesn't give you the option to cancel it. So once you've created, or rather once you've made your withdrawal request, you won't be able to directly cancel it. So you can use these different payment methods for withdrawal, and once you click on withdraw, your withdrawal request is going to then be processed, but you won't be given the option to cancel it. The best option in this case would be to contact their team immediately. So if you click on cancel withdrawal request on Exness, you can see the Exness help center that's going to be given to you. So this is a helpful guide to go through that. So you can double check the parameters before you submit your request. But if it's something that's giving you some worries, or you're not sure if that's the correct information, you should first talk to either the chatbot or someone from Exness directly. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.